Hi, this is Doug Meyer with Yaskawa, the Yaskawa Motion Team. I'm coming to you from the Pack Expo show here in Las Vegas, Nevada. And I'm going to show you a little bit about our singular control demo machine that we have here at the show today. What we're doing with this demo is demonstrating the full machine control capability of a complete Yaskawa solution. It starts right here with our MP3300 IEC motion controller. Control 32 axis or more of servo motors, as well as a variety of mechanisms. At the beginning of this demo, we're showing it using the built-in kinematics to control a Delta 2 style mechanism with an RZ axis. And really it just randomizes blocks that are tumbling out. And then as we move on down the line, we have a TP100 teach pendant that can be used to teach any one of the robot mechanisms that you see on the demo. We can control our variable frequency drives from our motion controller. We have four robot mechanisms on this demo. It starts with a Yaskawa robot, our GP8 6-axis articulated, a Moto Mini on top of a linear servo motor, and then again back around to a Delta 2 mechanism. We're demonstrating again the ability of one machine control to provide a complete Yaskawa solution regardless of the mechanism used, whether it's an independent servo, it's one of our defined robot mechanisms, or a custom mechanism you might like to create using custom kinematics inside the motion controller, all from a singular Yaskawa solution.